How to share screen on Google Meet on laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to share screen on Google Meet on laptop. First of all, open up the web browser. Then search here Google Meet. After that, click to open its site. Once you get into its site, tap on the New Meeting button and click on the Start an Instant Meeting option from here. Once you get into the meeting, click on the Present Now icon from the bottom. Then choose what to share. You can share Chrome tab, window, or entire system. Select the entire system option and tap to save. And then you're all set to share your screen on Google Meet. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.